about it. Sip of the word with Cass.
Friendship. So, friendship is defined as a relationship between friends, a state of mutual trust and support between people or nations. Let me just take the ship from the friend. For me, I'll just put it this way. The SHIP represent stay here, it's personal. We all need someone or people to talk to defend us and support us whenever the need arises. And the only way to achieve that is to be one, meaning you should also be ready to be there for them and be all that they need you to be around them. Okay? Being in a relationship with someone is a very personal thing. And this is why people get hurt. People are left with deep wounds whenever their personal lives are treated carelessly. Friendship is a commitment to the emotions you share. And so what these people are and what they do shouldn't surprise you at all. What you do is to try to manage the situation to make it better if you can. You definitely will need some of these qualities to sustain a better and healthier relationship. Number one, I'll say live with integrity. Number two, I'll say build trust, and dependency or dependability is also a yardstick, I'll put it that way. Be loyal, like be sincere, and then like naturally feel for each other, which is like empathy. You feel for the person, okay? Also be a great listener because you genuinely care, and then build each other's confidence, which is so important as well. And then spend time together. Time is good. Literally at this point, you would have to be prepared to endure the affection, esteem it, build or establish intimacy and trust between you both or more. Don't give up on friendship or that relationship just yet. Hang in there. Something good is gonna come out of it. Alright? But let me make something clear. There are some relationships that you don't have to keep. When you see at the beginning that someone is not good enough for you and you can sense that they're here to destroy something, you need to quit. You need to get out of that relationship ASAP.
Let's talk about it. Sip of the word with Cass.
Our quotation for today. A true friend never gets in your way unless you happen to be going down. Proverbs chapter 17 verse 17. God bless you. See ya next week. Bye-bye.